Morning comes, I face the day. Nothing ever came my way. Still I smile beneath the sun. Another battle to be won. Every road has made me see who I'm meant to be. Life never promised easy, but it never conquered me. I keep walking, I believe. Hope is all I need. Some days fall like pouring rain. Some leave nothing but the pain. Still my heart refuses fear. Tomorrow's getting near. Life never promised easy, but it never conquered me. I keep walking, I believe. Hope is all I need. One more sunrise, one more chance. Life never promised easy, but it never conquered me. I keep walking, I believe. Hope is all I believe. Another sunrise calls my name. Different road, the same old game. I tie my dreams and carry on, knowing every night is gone. I won't stop, I won't fall. Hope keeps answering the call. Every day I rise again, stronger than I've ever try. Every day I rise again, stronger than I've ever been. Step by step I find my way. Nothing takes my faith away. My faith away. New day, new strength. New day, new strength. I rise again. Every scar upon my skin tells the place I've always been. Every fall, every climb made this heart survive the time. I don't hide what I've been through. It's the proof my soul is true. Scars that made me strong kept me moving on. Every wound became a light, leading through the darkest night. Life can bend but never break. Every chance is mine to take. Standing tall, I still belong, thanks to scars that made me strong. Scars that made me strong kept me moving on. Every wound became a light, I still stand, holding hope with steady hand. Every road has tested me, still my heart refuses to leave. One more step, one more try, I won't let my spirit die. One more day to fight, one more dream inside. No matter what may come, I keep moving on. Storms may shake the ground, I know, but they never stop my soul. Every breath, every mile brings me closer all the while. One more day to fight, one more dream inside. No matter what may come, I keep moving on. Tomorrow waits, I'll be there. Tomorrow waits. to see me through. What I've gained, what I've known, built a life that's truly my own.